Pokemon Dinosaur.
Hello guys, and welcome today for a very special video. It's not Pokemon today, but it's something very special, and we're gonna do an experiment. We're gonna see if we can weigh these cards, these packs, and see if they all have hits. I actually have 27 of these, and they're all heavy. And let's see if they're all big hits. I don't know much about these cards. I know a lot about football, but not about these cards. All I know is that this is the most rare one, and I think it's when it's full star or like when it's gold, then it's the most rare, and then this one is the second one. And I think in all these 27 packs, it should be the top hits, either the biggest one or the second biggest. Let's check and the first 5 packs that we're gonna open, this first, are the lightest among these 27 packs. They are still all heavy, but they are a little lighter than the rest. Let's see. Alright, cola. Yeah, guys, yeah, we already have a hit. You see, we already have this is a big hit. This is a huge one. I already know this is a huge one. I've seen the price of this. This is one of the bigger prices. Let's go, guys. Yeah, I really think that's a huge hit, guys. And let's go to the next one. And yeah, guys, you see guys, we have another gold one. This is crazy. We don't know who it is, but let's see. Yeah, invincible, guys, another gold. What can I tell you? It seems to work. And these first 5 are the lightest one out of these 27 ones. Yeah, you can check the rest here. Not much. Let's go to the next one. That's 2 out of 2, guys. And this is Phil Foden. I don't know if it's a hit, but you see something golden back here? It's sticky. It's sticky, guys. Another golden one. Another golden. We have Phil Foden and a golden. Let's go. It's another Martinez. And some other ones here. Ruben Diaz and stuff. Another Martinez, guys. This is insane. And now tell me that you can't weigh packs, right? Like people say you can't weigh newer packs anymore. But it seems like you can. Maybe that's only for Pokemons, but I don't know. I don't know anymore what to say. Let's see, guys. Phil Foden here. And let's go to the next one. Another Phil Foden, guys. Is this the same pack? Is it gonna be Martinez again? Yeah, another gold one, guys. Another gold. How shocked are you? Oh, golden baller, and it's a 4. See, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is max, and this is 5, and this is golden baller. It's still another gold card, guys. How crazy is that? I have no idea this was possible. I did it as an experiment, and it seemed to work. seems to work, guys. And another Phil Foden. And some other packs here. Another Ruben Diaz. And Malo Gusto. Let's go, guys. Let's go. And this is the last one out of the lighter packs. So let's see. It's another. Oh, it's the Bruyne, and another gold pack, guys. What a surprise! Oh, it's Harry Kane. It's Harry Kane, guys. Come on, let's go. That's insane. I don't know. I actually don't know who's the most rare here, but I assume he should be up there, right? Yes. Also Luka Modric and Mbappe. This guy should also be up there. I mean, De Bruyne should also be up there, but maybe he has another card. This is only 1 star. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Alright, let's go to the next one. Now we're starting on the heavier ones. So maybe so far we only had the 4 stars. We had 5 stars. We had 1 full, I think. And maybe these are gonna be full stars. Oh, I think we don't have anything here, guys. That's crazy. Or is it just sticky? Oh, Valverde? Yeah, it's just sticky, guys. It's just sticky. It's another one, guys. Yeah. We thought there wouldn't be one here, but here we go. Another one, guys. Let's go. Let's see. Yeah. Look how beautiful that is. Alright. Let's go to the next one. Oh, is this Cucurella? It is Cucurella. Do we have a golden one, guys? What do you think? What do you think, guys? I can already feel it back here. I thought I could feel it, but... Yes, I can! Look who we have here! The man! The myth, the legend, guys! We have another! Not another, I mean, I pulled this one once. That's why I'm saying another, but... Yeah, we have an Erling Haaland. Let's go, guys. That's insane. That's crazy. One of these top sleeves here. Welcome, Erling Haaland. We also have the Cucurella. We have guys here. Let's go to the next one. Yeah, I think our carry is pretty good because, I mean, we just have a hit in every single one. Every single pack is a hit, you see. Let's go. Oh, guys, it's Ruben Diaz. It's Ruben Diaz. Let's go. And we have an Ederson here. This is crazy, guys. What do you say? You think Ruben Diaz is one of the top hits? What do you think? It's not the full star, but I think he's up there, guys. Such a beautiful card. Look at this. Let's put it in. Absolutely. I really want one of my personal favorite player is Luka Modric. I really hope we can pull him today in one of these packs. We still have, we're not even through half. Let's see what we can get here. Oh, guys, this looks nice. This looks nice. Juventus. And a golden clone. Can this be Luka Modric? No, another invisible one. But see, this one is 6. But from what I know, this is not very expensive one. But it's a full star, like 6 stars. That's kinda... Oh, we have my second favorite player here. He's 0 star? Come on, guys. You can't give these guys 0 star. He's best in the world. Come on. What's that? That's BS in my opinion. Come on. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. But yeah. Let's go, guys. Maybe this one deserves also a slave. It's a very clean and nice card. Right, let's go to the next one. Here, who's that? Who's that? Is that Son? Oh, it's not Son. It's a Japanese guy. I don't know this guy. We have another gold, guys. Let's go. Another Modric. Another Hurricane. Let's go. That's nice. I don't know if he's the top card, but he should be in my opinion. He's very popular. I really hope for one Modric and one Mbappe today. That would make I mean, not that I can complain when I have all these cards, but yeah, that would just make it way funner if I put one of those guys. Alright, we have one from the Saudi League and another gold card, guys. It's Cole Palmer, number 1. Guys, it's a number 1 card. Guys, it's a number 1 card. I think that's huge. I'm pretty sure this is huge, guys. I'm pretty sure this is huge. This number 1 card. Cole Palmer from Chelsea. Let's effing go. Guys, this is huge. I think this is insane. Cole Palmer. Let's go. Look at this. How nice. Let's go. And we have this guy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not giving credit to all the players, but this video is not about that today. It's only about, you know, the theory to check if my theory is right. And it seems to be, because we have a hit in every single card pack. And in this one too. Come on, guys. Another Martinez. Let's go. That is so beautiful, guys. Alright. Not sure how many packs we have left, but there's a couple. Probably like half or so. For sure, like half, at least. We have a Barcola. And a gold card, guys. Let's freaking go. Is it Modric? Oh, it's another Cole Palmer, number 1. Another number 1 Cole Palmer. That's insane. And a Vinny Jr. back here. We have a Vinny. But it's not a golden one, but it's still Vinny. Let's go. Let's go, guys. I don't know if the Barcola is worth something, but the next one. And we have this guy from Flamengo. I think it's Flamengo. And we have Ademi. And we have another Haaland that we haven't pulled this card yet. It's like a normal Haaland and normal Valverde. Let's see who this is. Oh, another invincible. Another invincible. Invincible. Let's go. We have a few of these now. Let's go, guys. Ben Hamida. And another Cole Palmer, number 1. Let's go. Maybe, yeah, I don't know if this is huge. I mean, we have 3 of them now, but if that's huge, I don't know, because we already have 3, but should be huge. It's the number 1 card, guys. I mean, has to be huge, right? Let's go. And yeah, so you know, I actually saved the heaviest pack for the last, so that's gonna be the 2 heaviest packs actually are the last and the second last. Oh, Llorente, we don't have this guy yet. Marcos Llorente. And boom, another invincible. Let's go, guys. I wonder if there's a Messi card. Should be a Messi. I don't know. Yeah, it should be, because he's in this one, then he should have his own card too, I guess. Let's go to the next one. Another gold, guys. Did you expect anything less? Did you expect anything less? Oh, it's another Ruben Diaz. Another Ruby QB. Let's go. So beautiful, guys. I love it. I love it. I don't have too many top loaders left, so maybe we can not gonna sleeve this one. We still have too many packs to go, and I don't have many top loaders left. Alright. Guys, come on, can we have a Modric or another one of these? How many do we have now? Like 5 or 6. That's crazy, guys. Seems like that's why this one is not that expensive on the market, because it's kind of easy to pull anyway, I guess. Still have a few packs left, guys, like 10 packs maybe. I don't know, I'm not sure, I'm not counting. All I know is that every single pack has been a gold card. Every single one so far. Alright. And this one too. Let's see. Boom! Haaland! Another Haaland! Number 2. And Mbappe, guys! It's not his rare card, but it's Mbappe. Let's go! I guess we have to sleeve Mbappe, right? Come on, guys, we have to sleeve Mbappe. Let's put Haaland first. Top loader, because I know he's expensive. Haaland has to have top loader, guys. I mean, the legend has to have a sleeve at least, right? Even though it's not his rare card, it's just too good. Alright, guys. Let's see the next one. Oh, something that we don't already have. What is this? Guy from Australia. I'm sorry for this guy. We have a Bernardo Silva. That guy I do know. How about this one? How about this one, guys? How about this one? We do know this one, guys. We do know this guy, guys. Let's go. This is the biggest hit in the pack. This is the biggest one you can get. Although, for some reason, I don't know why it's not full rare, but I do know that this is the biggest hit in this set. Let's go, guys. How nice this card is. Oh my god, I'm kind of shaking. Like, I'm used to getting all the gold cards now, but I'm still shaking, guys. Let's go. I wish I had double top loader for this guy. In the last pack, we got his normal card, and now he just appeared as the huge one. Look at this card, guys. Welcome to the family. Look how beautiful this is. Let's go, guys. Let's go. What else do we do? All the credit to these guys. Thank you for bringing Mbappe with you, guys. Come on. Let's go. Now we got Mbappe. The only thing I want now is, well, I obviously want Messi as well. Who doesn't want Messi? But the one I want the most is actually Luka Modric. Luka Modric is the one I want most in gold. That would be... Oh, guys! Am I getting tired now? But has this been black all the time like this? Or is this just... And this one, guys, I think this can be bigger. Or am I just being... I don't know, guys. This seems different, right? This was gold in the other cards, right? No. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let me see the other card. Oh, no, actually they're the same. Never mind. Are they the same? They are the same. I don't know why I thought that. But yeah, another one of these. I think it's like number 6 or 7 now. Let's go. Let's go. And we have Courtois here. Another guy from Real Madrid. And Cavani, we can't forget about this guy. What a player he was back in the days. Come on guys, we really want Luka Modric before this ends. We still have a few packs, we still have a few chances to get him. I mean, even if we don't, I can't complain, right? But it's just too good. He's just my favorite. Another gold and another Ruben Diaz. Another Ruben Diaz. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Boom. Yeah, I don't have too many top players left, so let's just keep him like this for now. Let me count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. Only 5 left, guys. Come on. We need a Luka Modric. That would be huge. I want the Messi as well, but I can't be too greedy, right? Like, if I get Modric, I'm more than happy. Obviously, I want them both. If I get one of them, that would be amazing. And another one of these guys. That's insane how many we have now. Probably 6, 7, or 8, I think. I'm not sure. It's 8 actually. We have 8. Let's go. 4 more packs, guys, and the last 2 are the heaviest one. The last 2 are the heaviest packs. Let's see, guys. Oh, no, this card is here. Nothing after this one. Let's see. Modric. Another Martinez. I mean, I'm still happy with Martinez, don't get me wrong, guys, but, you know, I really want Luka Modric. Just that. Even though this guy is amazing. We have so many of him now. I know that sounds kinda, greedy, but yeah, that's how it is. Alright guys, that's last pack, and then we have 2 more that are heavier than the rest. So let's see what's gonna be in those. Oh, Koke. I don't think we have this guy yet. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Come on. Boom. Oh, guys, not again. Not again, guys. Come on. Now to the last 2 packs. Let's see if there's anything different with those. Maybe another Mbappe. Maybe one Messi. Maybe one Modric. That would be insane. Oh, this guy again. Didn't we have this guy last time we pulled Mbappe? I think we had this guy when we pulled Mbappe. Come on. Do we have another Mbappe maybe? And we have Musiala. Come on, guys. This is something good. This is one of the heavier packs, guys. One of the heavier. Oh, this is why it's one of the heavier. It's Vini. It's Vini, guys. It's Vini. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Vini. No way. No way. Golden Vini, guys. Golden. Let's go. That's insane. their friend has to join them as well. Luka Modric. It's the last pack and it's our only chance to pull in. How epic would that be? Then we have Mbappe, Vini, and Luka Modric, all three from Real Madrid. Let's go, guys. Last pack. Alright. We don't have this guy either. Let's see the last pack, guys. The last and the heaviest. Oh, Griezmann is here as well. Let's see. This one is super sticky. Oh, this one is super sticky. Let's see. Come on, Modric. That will be an epic finish. Let's go, guys. Another Harry Kane. We kind of started with him and finished off with him. Kinda. Let's go, guys. So let me know, how did you like this content? What do you think? Can you wait packs? I think you can. 27 out of 27. Let's go, guys. Like and subscribe. I know this was something else, not Pokemon today, but I thought this was just a fun challenge, or just to try it out if you can wait these packs, and obviously you can. So yeah, here we go, guys. Like and subscribe. Here we go, guys. The result of today, we got 9 of these. We got 4 Martinez. We have 3 Cole Palmer, 3 Kane, 3 Allans, 1 Cobble, 2 Diaz, 1 Vini, and 1 Kylian Mbappe. Here we go, guys. That's crazy. Like and subscribe, guys.